apartment. It's about 1:45 in the morning, July 18th. Just got back from the shop. Been there for most part of the night. Gonna get a couple hours of sleep and then wake up and go swap out the filament for the 3D printer. Did a lot of design work. Kind of tired, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, I think it's because of the 1:45. I think it's just a lot going on in my mind with what it takes to build luggage for outer space. So yeah, it's getting there though. It's getting there. I think it's gonna be in a good place with this next push. So hopefully it's enough for an investor to go ahead and pull the trigger and have enough confidence and faith and trust in me that I'm the guy for the job, that I'm going to follow through. So, but yeah, just want to put out there, stick with it. It's going to get tough. Oh, it's going to get tough. Yeah, it gets really tough sometimes. But stick with it because the reward, of who you become, what it takes, the changes you have to go through, it's totally worth it. It's worth the price of the stress and the random late hours and all the crazy things you gotta do. It's worth the growth. It's worth the growth. And I'm doing this for my family. I'm doing this for a long list of reasons, but one of them for sure is most definitely my family. I want a certain experience for them, for me. I want to do certain things with them, and that takes a certain level of success. And I won't stop until I get there. It's that simple. I will not stop until I get there. So that being said, everybody enjoy the rest of your weekend. I'll be pretty much working all day tomorrow, Sunday as well, and rolling right into the work week. But I think everybody's gonna like this one. This one's gonna be good. Check in with everybody later. You're out.